Hello all, welcome back to Excellent English. My name is Ambikesh Kumar Tiwari, and in today's video we are going to resume our topic narration. In this rule we are going to read that if our reporting verb, the reporting verb of our direct narration sentence is in past tense in any tense, वैसे ज़्यादातर simple past tense होता है. So if the reporting verb is in past tense and reported speech is in simple past tense, then what we do, we change the simple past tense of reported speech into past perfect tense. What I told कि यदि अपना रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट टेंस में हो और रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का जो सेंटेंस है वो सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में हो, तो हम सिंपल पास्ट टेंस के रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के सेंटेंस को पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में चेंज कर देते हैं. ओके, so we have to keep it in our mind that the reporting verb in past tense and reported speech is in simple past tense, past indefinite tense. Then what we do, we have to change the reported speech which is in simple past tense into past perfect tense. As example, we are looking here, there is a sentence, the student said to the teacher, I did not break the rule of the class. The student said to the teacher, I did not break the rule of the class. This sentence is in direct speech. विद्यार्थी ने शिक्षक से कहा कि मैंने क्लास का कोई नियम नहीं तोड़ा. The student said to the teacher, I did not break the rule of the class. So here our reporting verb is in past tense and reported speech is in simple past tense. In fact, we can say both the clauses, reporting verb and reported speech, both are in simple past tense. So, as rule says that the simple past tense is changed into past perfect tense. So, the student told the teacher. Said to is changed into told. The student told the teacher that if the commas, inverted comma and comma is removed from here, that comes. The student told the teacher that he had not broken the rule of the class. We are looking here, did not is changed into had not. Means what? Simple past is changed into past perfect. Even in the next example, we are finding the same. Simple past is changed into past perfect. The employee said to the boss. The employee said to the boss, I did not sleep the last night due to work pressure. Employee ने, कर्मचारी ने बॉस से कहा कि पिछले रात वर्क प्रेशर के चलते, ज़्यादा काम के चलते मैं सोया नहीं. Reporting verb simple past tense, reported speech also simple past tense. Reported speech simple past tense is to be changed into past perfect tense. According to our rule, the employee told the boss that he had not slept the previous night. Last night is changed into previous night due to work pressure. So this sentence is into indirect narration. So if in any sentence we are finding that the reporting verb is in past tense and reported speech is in simple past tense, so simple past tense is always changed into past perfect tense. So it was a rule in today's video. बस इतना ही. Just I'm coming to you. Just we are looking each other in the next video with a new rule. Thanks.